Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part in SolidWorks. Most of the geometry lies in this area. The holes and the cutout here of 80 millimeter, 102 millimeter radius of this dia, 82 millimeter from here to center, from here to here. But these are too many dimensions here, but we will go step by step and see what we can do. So let's start. A new file, custom 18. I will go to front plane, draw a sketch of 102 times 2. So this is the another sketch of 80 millimeter, like so. I will draw a line from quadrant to outside this, and again from quadrant to outside. I will trim this. Let me check this is okay. Let's trim with okay. Now let me give it a line here. I will dimension it from here to 82 millimeter as per drawing and simply trim it like so. I will draw a center line from here to here, and I will draw a few lines more here. I will draw one more line here from here to here. I will trim the extra. Now I will dimension it 22 millimeter, dimension it 22.5. This is 10 millimeter according to drawing, and this is 5 millimeter, like so. Now we are ready to extrude. All the dimensions are given and sketch is fully defined. Let me clean it a bit. Okay, now we will extrude it. I will select this portion, this and this portion, reverse direction. This is 178 millimeter long part, 178 millimeter. Okay, like so. I will wake this up again and extruded base boss. I will select this and go 102 millimeter, reverse direction. Okay, this is done. Now I will sketch on this face. I will go for a line. I will go up and come here and go up and convert it, go back and convert it into an arc. When it is 90 degree, I will go back, down, and here I will draw a sketch here of 25.5 millimeter, 25.5 millimeter here, and 25 radius here. Okay, 25.5 and radius is 25, like so. This is 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter. Okay, and this one is collinear. Okay, but I can't give the center because I started early it here. I will leave it here like that. I will see it later. Now I will draw a sketch over here like so. I draw a line, circle of 74 millimeter, I think. Let me check. This is 76 millimeter and 44.5. 76, and I will go another 44.5, like so. I will make this and this vertical. Okay, I will convert entities. Okay, I will draw a line from here to here, tangent, like so, and I will draw a line from here to here also, and I will give the dimension from here to here is 31 millimeter. 30 millimeter. Okay, it's okay. I will trim the rest of it, which I don't need. I will trim this and I will trim this. Now we have this complete. I have to give a dimension from here to here. This is 145 from center. Let me give it 145 from center to this is 145. Sketch is fully defined. Let me extrude it. I will extrude this up to 31 millimeter. Offset, no offset, actually there is no offset. It's okay. 31 millimeter. Okay, I will wake this up again and extrude again. This time I will offset it 109 millimeter, reverse direction, and this is 63 millimeter, like so. Let me check. This is 103 plus 6, 109, and 75 millimeter, not 63, 75 millimeter. And this is 103 millimeter. Okay, this is okay. This is done. Now I'll bake once again this and extrude this. Offset distance is 3 millimeter, reverse, and this is 25 millimeter according to drawing, and this comes in the center of this. You can check. This is 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter from here, 25 millimeter here, and 31 millimeter is the length of it, and 3 millimeter offset here. Okay, I will wake this once again. Extruded base boss, extrude this. I will offset it 109 millimeter, reverse direction, and also this is the reverse direction, and this is 63. Now it is in the center of it. It's okay. Let's okay it. Now I will go for this sketch, open. I will bring it down first. I will bring this sketch down here, sketch down here. Now I will go for sketch. I will draw a center line from the midpoint of here and to midpoint of here, because the dimension is given from here to here is 262 millimeter. 262 millimeter. Okay, sketch is fully defined. We can extrude it now. Let's extrude it up to this face, like so. Okay, this is done. Now I will draw a circle here of 28 millimeter radius, 28 times 2. I will draw a center line from here to there. I will trim the extra. I will draw a line from here to here and from here to here, and I will convert this entity. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. .56 millimeter, and this is 40 by default. Okay, there are some problem here, I think. Let's extrude it. Thin feature means it is not completely defined. Let me hide this, delete this. Let me delete this line and draw again. I will draw a little longer. I will take the power trim. I will make this a little longer and trim it. Now it is fully defined. I can extrude it now. Let me see. This is 50 millimeter from front and 25 millimeter is the depth of this. So 50 millimeter offset, reverse direction, and this is 25 reverse direction, like so. It's okay. Now I will draw a cut here. I will take the rectangle here. I will make this and this concentric. I will give it a dimension of 3 millimeter, which is given in the drawing, 3 millimeter, and from the center to here it is, from the center to here it is 67 millimeter. 67 millimeter. 67. Okay, I will convert this entity. Convert. I will trim the extra portion I don't need. I will trim this, and the sketch is fully defined. Now I can cut it. Cut up to 97 millimeter. 97 millimeter. Okay, like so. Cancel. I will select this. .97 millimeter. Is there any problem here? I don't think there is a problem here. Selected contour, this already taken. It's already taken. Okay. Okay. This is the problem. which was making the problem here. So let me check it again. This is 3 millimeter. This was the problem here. I should have done it other way. Okay, let me check this first. Sketch, and this one and this one should be coincident. I think the problem is removed. Yes, the problem is gone. So this is it. Now I will go for few holes here. I will make for construction. I will give it a dimension of, this is the PCD. PCD is given here somewhere. PCD 112 millimeter dia. 112 millimeter dia. I will draw a circle here of 14 millimeter and another here 14 millimeter. I'll make these two, this and this vertical. I will give this dimension. Let me check the dimension. Dimension is given half and half from center line, 39.6 and 39.6. okay, I will give it a dimension from here to here, 39.6. Sketch is fully defined. This is also 39.6. By default is 39.6. okay, let's cut it through all. Okay, this is done. I will draw a sketch from behind. I will draw circles here, 2 circles of 20 millimeter. I will select this and make them equal. I will select this and this vertical. I will give this dimension from here to here is 19 millimeter, and it is sketch dimension from here to here is 126 as shown in the drawing. It is 126 millimeter. This is 126 from here to here. This is 126 millimeter. Okay, and half of it is 126 by 2. Sketch is fully defined. Now let me cut it up to 97 millimeter. This is 97 millimeter from back side here. This is the bore here, 97 millimeter deep. Okay, 97 millimeter deep. Okay, this is done. There is a cut here on this side. I will draw a line here like so. Give it a dimension from here to there. It is 95 millimeter. Let me check. This is 95 millimeter from here to center. Okay, I will convert this entity. I will trim the extra. Sketch is fully defined. Now let's cut. This is 50 millimeter from front, offset 50 millimeter reverse, and 25 millimeter reverse. (50 and 25 millimeter). Okay, let me check. This is 50 from here and 25 from here. This cut, this is the cut. no, sorry, this is 41 and 40 millimeter. This 40 and 41 millimeter from back side. So what will we do? Here is another dimension, 97 and 41 millimeter. Is 97 actually, and 41 millimeter. This is the cut we are looking for. Okay. Okay. The part is complete. There is nothing left, I think. Everything is done. Let me check. Yes, this cut is done. This is done. This is done. Everything is done. The part is now complete. So this is the simple exercise in SolidWorks. I think you like it, and some people may learn from it. And this is a good exercise for intermediate level of SolidWorks users. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day, and please subscribe.